Hi guys, today let's see how you can create a brand logo in the easiest way possible with the help of an AI. You don't need to be a professional designer, so spend a lot of money to get a stunning logo. In this tutorial, I am gonna take you to a step-by-step guide on how to create a brand logo using AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create our logo, we are going to use an AI tool called Bing Image Creator. So just click the link below this video.
And you'll reach this page. Now click join and create. And it will ask you to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, just create one and sign in. Now to create your logo, all you need to do is just enter your prompt here and this tool will create the logo designs for you. So let's see how it works. I'm going to enter a logo design for a perfume company called Fragranza. Now if you click create, you can see within seconds it gave us 4 different logos. Well, these logos look a bit generic. And you might have noticed the lettering is all wrong and twisted. Well, AI tools are not that great with text yet. But don't worry, we'll see how you can fix this later in this video. Now, I'm not completely satisfied with these logos and it doesn't match the style of my brand. To get more unique and personalized output, you need to give a more specific prompt with creative inputs. Well, don't panic. You don't have to squeeze your brains. There's an easy way too. There's another AI tool that will give you creative ideas and prompts for your logo. And that will be personalized for your brand. I'll show you how to use that. So just click the link below this video and it will take you to GravityWrite.com. This is the site that's going to help us get logo ideas. So just click on start writing for free. Fill up these details and click create account. Now go to images and click on logo design ideas. Now here, just type the name of your brand. Then a few lines about your business here and click create content. As you can see, GravityWrite has generated a bunch of logo ideas. These are pretty good. Okay, let's try these ideas and see how our logo comes out. Just copy any idea. Go back to Bing. Paste it here. And click create. Wow, these logo concepts look great. Let's ignore the lettering for now, but the logo image come out really well. Now make sure you try out these ideas too, so you'll have more options to choose from. Alright, I'm going to select this one for my logo. And once you selected the image, let's fix the text of the logo. To do that, first let's download the logo. Now we are going to use an online tool called Canva to edit our logo. So let's head over to canva.com and sign up for free. I'm going to use my Google account. So let me select this and choose my account. And once you've signed in, click on create a design, select logo, and here we can upload our logo and start customizing it. So just go to uploads, click upload files, select your logo, and click open. Now click on the logo and it will appear here. First, let's make our logo cover the entire canvas. Just right click and click set image as background. Alright, next let's hide this text. Go to elements, select the rectangle shape. Now place it over the text and match the color of the background using the color picker. Next, let's add our brand name. To do that, go to text, select the text style that will suit your logo. Then here, double click on it and type the name of your brand. I'm going to add a slogan too. Now to change this text color, just click on it. Now go here and choose the color you want. In the same way, let's change the color of this text too. And our logo is ready. Looks great, doesn't it? To download it, click on share, then download. Here select PNG and click download again. And the logo will be downloaded to your computer. Let's have a look at our logo. Looks good, but we can make it better in terms of quality. Right now, this is in PNG format. Now to change this into a high quality image, we might need this in SVG format. And Canva lets you download in high quality SVG format only if you upgrade the plan. But as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to create your logo for free. So now we are going to convert this into a high quality logo without spending any money. Let's go to vectorizer.ai. This tool can convert our PNG logo into high quality SVG format. Just drop your logo here. And within seconds, you have a high quality SVG logo. The quality difference is remarkable, and with SVG format, you can edit the logo easily on any software like Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. Alright, now you can click the download button and you will get your new logo. That's it guys, we have an incredible logo created just by using AI and for free. And I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.